Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. On Instagram in iPhone, brightness increase automatically for some reels. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing that we have to do, tap and hold the App Store. Now tap on updates and check the list if there is any update available for Instagram. If there is, then we have to update the Instagram app first. Then launch settings, general, soft update, and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. After that, if you're still facing the same issue, then we move to some other solutions. Now what we have to do, we have to go to settings, tap on accessibility and tap display and text size. Now scroll and turn off auto brightness. Next, go back to settings, tap on display and brightness and tap night shift. If the schedule is turned on, then turn off the schedule. That's it. With these simple and easy steps, you will get rid of this issue. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.